Hey everybody, John at Agile Offroad. Fire extinguishers. For the most part, most people carry them, especially aftermarket application. RVs, they're required. At racing, they're required. Normally a small fire extinguisher like this is a 2.5 pound, pretty basic, it's just like a ABC chemical fire extinguisher that you carry. Real convenient spot to carry it, what I found in all my vehicles, is right underneath the seat at the driver's. If I'm in the vehicle and I'm by myself, I run into a situation where I need to put out a fire, whether it's myself or somebody else. It's right there. It's right literally at my feet. We've come up with one for the Ranger Raptor. The nice thing about it is it attaches to the seat. As you're adjusting the seat, the fire extinguisher stays with you. We've got a full set of instructions for mounting this, and we highly recommend the Range Industries billet mount for mounting it. So we'll show you all that. Instructions are available on our website. You do have to temporarily remove the seat out of your Ranger. We will give you the instructions for that, and it makes it a lot easier to work on things. Let's take a closer look at it, okay? So one of the things we like about the Range Industries product is how it clips in. Clips in like this, and you just snap it into place. And then there's a big, very pronounced lever that you just push down to release it. So just pops in and out, really, really nice. And it's very, very solid when it goes in. And it's gonna sit right at your feet. You'd have to be careful. You don't wanna be, hitting this. If that becomes a problem, you may have to do a different system. We've got it set up to where when this is mounted on there, you can actually use some of the other mounting scenarios. We've got them all here. We do supply you the hardware for mounting the brackets, and then we supply you the mounting hardware for mounting the Range Industries product on there. This is just basically gonna go right into here. Again, super solid. Really good quality. You can see where I'm mounted it, right at the base of the seat. And as I get in, got plenty of room. And I'm 5'10", I'm all the way back. And you can see how much we've got here. And then it's gonna stay with the seat. So, super simple. A little bit of work putting it on. Pulling the seat's probably a little intimidating. It might feel intimidating, but we've got good instructions that'll show you how to do it. Real important, you don't want to ever cycle your key on when you remove your seat. Sometimes you'll trip like a airbag light or something like that. Again, you can see where the fire extinguisher is right here. Now, if I were to get out, or I need to put out a fire, I'd probably step out of the vehicle and do it, but you can see where this thing is just right handy, So, super simple. Real elegant solution. I've had this thing off-road quite a bit. It's held up extremely, extremely well. I'm really happy with the solution on this. And again, if you're looking for a solution for mounting a fire extinguisher, take a look at this. It's a real elegant place to put it, real nice. And if you want to do another option, I'm sure there's plenty of other options out there, mounting them into the bed of your truck, things like that. I personally think it's a lot better to have it where I am and not where we think the fire is going to be, or in a back cabinet, or in a bag. I carry it in my tool bag, or I carry it back behind the rear seat, or I've got to open up another door. It's literally right here. If I needed to, I could even have this thing, pull it out, hand it out the door like that. As I'm pulling up to somebody, they're looking for a fire extinguisher, I can just hand it to them. So, really nice. Check it out. It's going to be on our website. We got the instructions right there. You can look at them. We do recommend the Range Industries fire extinguisher mount. We do not sell fire extinguishers on our website. I'm kind of a fan of the Amerex. They just make a good ABC, real high quality. They are rechargeable. These are serviceable. I'd recommend you get something good. But you can also get just like, something from like Home Depot or center like that, or you want to look into a Halon unit, you can get all those units. And a lot of them should just be able to, if they've got a good mount already, they can mount directly up to our mount plate. So there you go. Thanks and happy trails.